Extreme here, working on a 67 Camaro. Working on putting some big wheels in the back. We're here with Vincent. Want to explain to us what we did?
First of all, the original rail, it is rusted, so we got to be replaced. And you can see how it comes right in here and go all the way in. So that cut about 4 inches off the big tub. We put a new rails in, we welded it in complete, and then we cut this one off. And it gave me 5 inches more clearance for the big tires. And of course, about 7 more inches total, about 15 inch, 16 inch wheel in the back. Plus, you can see right in here, the curve is higher, so your rear end can be 5 inches lower than the original chassis. If you don't do this, your rear end is going to be at 2 inches from this original rail. And if you hit a bump, your chassis will hit the rear end, the house. So with that curve right there, you eliminate all that, and you can put a big 22s and 24s in the back without a problem. Probably be a whole lot stronger than ever been. Plus we add on front closing member and connect this frame with the
Front
original subframe in the front.
All right. Well, stay tuned, everyone. We'll show you guys the end product here shortly.